In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand from Amazon USA to Amazon Poland. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is just log into Amazon Seller Central, go to Inventory, and then there's a little Sell Globally button right here. If you don't see this, make sure you're an admin, aka your professional account on Amazon, and you're logged in as the admin seller. So you can go to Settings, Account Info, and just make sure you're a professional seller. You know you're a professional seller when you're paying Amazon $39.99 each month. That's a professional seller. Now, once you're here, you're gonna go to Europe and you're gonna click this button and this button and click Register Now. This is going to help you register for selling in Poland, and you're also going to get access to 5 other EU marketplaces. Now they're gonna ask for basic information like your name, your address, who you are, identification, bank account statement, possibly credit card statement, right? So just have all of that ready. Make sure nothing's expired that you're submitting to them. Make sure everything that you are submitting to them is HD and preferably in color. Make sure it's not editable, things like that, very basic stuff. Now, when you submit your passport and your bank account statement, the number one thing that I see people do that's getting them suspended is their passport. Let's say the passport name is Josh Hackett and the bank account statement is Joshua Hackett, right? So just make sure everything matches, because if one's Josh Hackett, one's Joshua, even though with common sense they know it's the same person, Amazon system most likely will not approve you. So make sure all of the names are exactly the same on the passport that it is on the bank account statement, the credit card statement, and so on. It's easy to just ask your bank account or credit card company to change the name, and then the following statement they can update it, right? So once you get approved, it's going to look something like this with a little green check mark here, and as you can see, we are approved for Poland. But not only are you going to get approved for Poland, you're also going to get approved for UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Belgium, Sweden, and the newest country added is Ireland. So awesome. We just expanded, and you're going to go to the top right corner. You're going to do this drop down and then go to Poland so we can start creating those listings. Go to Poland. Make sure everything's good. There's no errors on the account. There's no stranded inventory or anything. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to go to account info and triple check all of your info is correct, right? Your bank account, US bank accounts in there, your credit card, they've identified you, your identity. If they don't verify your identity, you can ship items into Amazon and then it's going to go get stranded. So make sure, sometimes Amazon likes to double verify identity. But anyway, you're going to go to catalog and then start adding your products. Make sure you add products and it has the same exact UPC code and the same exact SKU from the USA. Make sure it has the same exact ones. Let me show you real quick. So if we're going to add products into Poland, simply what we're going to do is put that product ID in. We're going to type in the same exact ASIN that we use in the US, and hopefully it pops up. So we're going to click submit, see if it pops up, and it doesn't pop up. So if the listing doesn't pop up with the ASIN, what you're going to do is have to create a brand new listing. So you're going to create a new listing, but you're going to put in the same exact information that you used for the US. Make sure again that it has the same UPC code and the same SKU as the US listings. If you don't do that, it's going to have a different ASIN and the reviews aren't going to transfer over. So make sure again, same UPC code, same SKU as your USA listings. That way, if you have 1,000 reviews on your USA listings, it's actually going to show 1,000 reviews on your Poland listings. And as we know, reviews make the difference between getting a sale and not getting a sale. So you definitely want to do that. After you do that, you're going to see your listings right now in Poland, just like this one. And you'll see it says FBA. If you ship some inventory in, it says inbound. And you can make sure you transfer it to fulfilled by Amazon. You know it's fulfilled by Amazon because it's going to say this, and you can't actually manually change the inventory. So make sure you change it to FBA. Once you change to FBA, you're going to make sure before we ship it in to Amazon, you've got your VAT under control, right? So you can just type in VAT here, and and then it should show up on manage your VAT or file your VAT. You're going to need a VAT number. It's like equivalent to like a social security number. You need it to ship items from the USA to Poland. They're going to ask for it. So just make sure you get your VAT. Amazon has services right here that help you with that. And then once you have your VAT, then it's time to ship inventory into Amazon Poland. So you're gonna click this button, send or replenish inventory. Once you click this, let's just say we're sending in 100 units, well, let's say 150 units of this purple Hickaway. So we get one big box, we put 150 units into one box, we seal it up, and Amazon at the end of this send inventory, they're gonna give you a Amazon label. You're gonna take that Amazon label and put it on the outside of that box, tape it up. On the Amazon label, it has special barcodes for Amazon, and it has where it's going to be shipped to. So it's gonna say somewhere in Poland it's going to be shipped to. That is not a shipping label. That label is just for Amazon. To get your shipping label, you need to go to a website like ups.com is what I recommend. Get a quote and then ship it. Remember, on the Amazon label, it literally says where it's shipping to. So you're gonna get that address, give it to UPS. Now you're gonna have two labels on your boxes. You're gonna have an Amazon label and you're going to have the UPS shipping label. So now that you have those two labels, you're going to drop it off at UPS. UPS is going to ship it directly to the address that you're going to, which is Poland. And once Poland receives it, they're going to check it in, and then it's going to say inbound and then finally available in inventory. Once they do that, everybody in Poland's going to have 2-day shipping, and you're going to start generating a significant amount of sales as long as you translated your listing to Polish and things like that. Starting to generate sales and expand internationally, as simple as 1, 2, 3. Now, when you're making your Polish listing, make sure, again, it's fully optimized and the reviews are transferred over like they are for this one. The US reviews for our client transferred over to the Polish listing, which is good. And then what we need to do now is make sure that all of the copy, the title, the bullet points, the description, and then soon the photos are translated so that way people in Poland can see it, and then they're going to be ordering it a lot faster than if everything was in English. Sometimes if you submit documents to Amazon or A+ content and it's in English, Amazon might deny it and say, hey, you need to change it to Polish. So just be aware of that. Now, since you stayed towards the end of the video, these are all the countries you can sell in on Amazon. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we got Canada, USA, UK, France, Spain, Germany, Italy, Sweden, Belgium, Netherlands, Poland, Australia, Brazil, United Emirates, UAE, Japan, Singapore, Mexico, and I believe these ones are new. So this is Ireland, India, Egypt, and Saudi Arabia, right? So a lot of different countries, and UAE is United Arab Emirates. There we go. So a lot of different countries. Looks like there's at least 22 here, and they keep adding new ones. So just be ready. The first one in usually gets the most amount of sales. So expanding internationally can definitely be a huge benefit to you and your business long term. Just think about it that way. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what country you plan to expand to first and why. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage all of your accounts, help you expand internationally, help you ship internationally, manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, VAT, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us do it for you, save money, save time, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.